Welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the enchanting world of Halloween-themed nursery decor with our 4-piece Halloween Pumpkin Ghost Candy Witch Crib Sheets set, designed for both boys and girls. These polyester crib sheets capture the spooky spirit of Halloween with vibrant 3D printed designs featuring classic symbols like pumpkins, ghosts, witches, and more, all crafted using a reactive dyeing process to ensure the colors remain vivid even after multiple washes. Not only do these sheets add a festive touch to your baby's nursery, but they also offer unmatched comfort with their soft, breathable 90 grams polyester material, perfect for your little one's delicate skin. Designed to fit standard cribs, measuring approximately 52 by 28 by 8 inches, these sheets provide a snug fit that minimizes movement and ensures a safe sleeping environment. Beyond their practicality, these sheets serve as unique indoor Halloween decorations, transforming your baby's crib into an adorable focal point that enhances the festive ambiance of your home. Whether you're pairing them with a Halloween blanket, shower curtain, or table runner, these sheets seamlessly integrate into your holiday decor. So, get ready to create a magical, spooky atmosphere in your nursery that both you and your baby will adore this Halloween season. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.